Sometimes life becomes too much. The city is loud, the body is tired, the mind is full, and all we want is to stop, to rest, to breathe, to feel the earth again. If is how you feel, I want to telling you something simple. You are welcome here. A place to rest and recover. This is not a hotel, not a resort, not a fancy retreat. It's a real place, a farm. Simple, quiet, raw, but full of life. Here, you can stay for a few days, or a week, or more. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to be productive. You just have to be you. Calm as you are, tired, broken, searching, curious, silent. Come and let the land hold you. What you will find here? You will not find luxury, but you will find peace. A warm space to sleep. Healthy, simple food from the garden. Firewood, clean water, tea and herbs. Soft animals' eyes watching you. Trees that listen without speaking. A sky full of stars. A place where no one rushes you. You can help with farm work if you want. You can sit in silence all day if you want. You can walk in the forest or sleep by the fire or just breathe. Healing with nature and animals. Here, animals live free. Chickens no, because it's called the fox. They are part of the farm and part of the healing. Dogs, cats, sometimes rabbits. They don't judge. They don't expect. They teach us to be present, to be still, to just be. Many people who come here say, the animals helped me more than words, because sometimes healing doesn't come from talking. Sometimes it comes from watching a dog take a nap in the sun. Solitude and gentle presence. You will have your own space to think, to cry, to smile, to rest. But you are not alone. I live here. I will be nearby if you want to talk, to walk, to drink a tea, or simply share silence. I don't offer therapy. I don't give advice. But I listen. I hold the space. I will live slowly, so you can too. Sometimes just sitting together by the fire can be enough. No pressure, no schedule, no judgment. Simple nourishment. We eat real food. Vegetables from the garden. Eggs for the chickens. Herbs picked fresh from the land. I cook with love, with what is available, with what the season gives us. You are welcome to help cook or not. You can eat in silence, or we can share stories. Food is part of healing, not just for the body, but for the heart. Space for all emotions. Here, you don't have to smile all the time. You can cry, you can sleep, you can walk barefoot in the mud, you can write in a journal, you can be quiet, you can be open. This is the space for all of you, not just the happy parts, not just the strong parts. The earth holds everything, so can we. Optional activities, only if you want. This is not a program, but if you feel ready, I can gently guide you through. Morning stretching in the garden, journaling prompts, quiet meditation by the trees, walks through the hills and forests, foraging for wild herbs and plants, making a fire together, planting something new, listening to the birds together, or simple sitting side by side in silence. Healing is not a fixed path. It's a soft return to yourself. Who is this for? This space is open for people who feel tired from city life, for people going through emotional pain, for people with burnout, for people healing after illness, for people who feel lost, or people who just need space to breathe. You don't have to explain. You don't have to perform. You don't have to be okay. Just come as you are. How it works. You can book a stay for 3 to 7 days or longer if it feels right. We offer a simple warm bed, shared meals or solo meals, you choose. Optional light activities, access to the whole farm and surrounding nature, friendly animals and peaceful company, time, space, presence. There is a small daily cost. This helps cover food, firewood, and farm maintenance. But more than that, it helps this place stay alive, so we can continue to welcome people like you. If money is a problem, message me. Sometimes we find other ways. Sometimes help comes in other forms. This is not a business. It's a living place that wants to give rest. A message from the heart. You're not broken. You're not weak. You're not too much. You are human. And humans need rest. Humans need nature. Humans need each other. If you are looking for a sign to slow down, this is it. If you are searching for a safe place, this is it. Here, the earth is your medicine. Silence is your teacher. And peace is your path. This place has no rush, no pressure, nor noise. Just wind, fire, stars, and a quiet invitation. Come rest, come heal, come home. I'm Alex, your host. All the best. Papa.